Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to clear storage in your Google Drive account using a simple trick. So let us get started. Alright, so in the first step, head over to Google Drive, log into your account, and let's say for instance I would like to clear storage here in my drive, and the best way to do that would be to simply delete files and folders in the given location you don't need anymore. So guys, if you take a closer look at that panel here to the left, you will see the remaining space in your storage here at the bottom. As you can see, currently I am using 300 or close to 300 MB out of 15 GB available, which is actually quite a lot of free space, but nevertheless I would like to free up some space. To do that, go through the list of folders and files here in your location, and here to the right you will see the file size. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me delete that file here with a file size of 46 or approximately 47 MB. To do that, simply right click on the given file, and after that select move to trash or use the delete button on your keyboard, just like that, and that is going to move the file to the trash folder. Now moving files or folders to the trash folder doesn't delete them permanently. In order to remove the given file from your Google Drive account, head over to the trash folder here to the left, select the file you would like to delete with your left mouse, and after that click on that trash icon here at the top to delete the given file forever. Or alternatively guys, if you have multiple files here in your trash folder, simply use that button here to the right, empty trash, to delete all files and folders here in that trash folder once and for all. And after that you will see the change here in your storage to the left and see how much space has been cleared. And that's all to it guys. Hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.